dyeing my hair myself for the first time ever. 2 years into my natural hair journey, and you know, it's time to switch it up. God. I'm gonna be using the Dark and Lovely Fade Resistant in the color Honey Blonde, shade 378. I have 2 boxes of the dye. Oh my god. What I'm gonna be doing to directly take care of my hair right after the dyeing process is use the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo for blonde and silver hair, and then go in with the 2-step AphoGee protein treatment and balancing moisturizer. And then after all of that, I'm gonna go in with my regular favorite deep conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mufara Oil Intensive Hydration Treatment Mask with African Rock Fig and yes. Woo! As you can see, my hair is in big chunky doo-doo twists. I have been really trying to let the natural oils in my hair build up over the past 2 weeks just to protect my hair from the products that I'm using today. I even took it a step further and drenched my hair in coconut oil and then twisted it, because your girl not trying to get any kind of damage, please. Let's just start. Let's just start. Oh my god. Oh, let's just start. The box came with some moisturizing conditioner, the hair dye, the cream developer, and the instructions, which were like, yeah, okay. And some gloves, okay? Got you some gloves, and this is a nice little trick that I decided to do. Just put the scrunchies around your hands just so that it doesn't, you know, slide off and get annoying. Because you know. No, I don't see. I know. And then another tip I found for people who are actually gonna go all the way to the roots is to put Vaseline around your skin just so that the dye doesn't transfer onto your skin. I'm gonna start now. Wow. Okay, I don't know where that is, but go ahead. I can't tell.
You can literally
oh my god. Okay,
see
okay,
it.
go ahead. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Go. Do it. Oh my god. Stop. Yes, stop. Let me rub it through. Stop. I know it's not in her. She's a diamond under. Wanna lay it down. I'll try my heart. Though I know gold is not in her. I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond under. Wanna lay it down. I'll try my heart. Though I know gold is not in her. Too crystal, I don't see no one else. No, I don't see. I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond under. Wanna lay it down. I'll try my heart. Though I know gold. So I only ended up using 1 bottle. I don't know how to do this. I saw some people do this, so I'm gonna try to do this. Did you see anything? Did it change?
Go.
Did it do anything? Did it do anything? Stop! Why are you making a face? Stop!
Sure you picked the right color?
Shut up! What happened? Oh my god, you're scaring me. Are you just kidding? No! Is this a joke? Are you joking? Are you joking? You're gonna make me cry. Are you just kidding?
I mean, you could maybe work. It's like a.
Like a what?
Put your head on.
What? What?
Did you like throw some red in there? Put your head on.
Well, some people got kind of reddish. What does it look like?
Oh no.
What does it look like? Oh my god! Are you just kidding?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you completely kidding?
Yes.
Does it look good?
Look at the screen.
No, look. What does it look like?
Yeah, it's straight.
Nothing.
It's brown.
What? Nothing happened. Okay, it's been like 30 more minutes because I did not like the color. Oh, that's better. I hope my curls, they look the same. They don't look, my curls don't look like they dropped. I don't look like I have damaged, like stringy pieces.
Go ahead and do that, and then.
Well, it's too late. I have to rinse this out. Oh my god, it's so cute! I dyed my hair today. Oh my god! She's a So now I'm gonna use the purple shampoo and wash all these chemicals out of my hair. And then I'm gonna do the protein treatment and yeah. You feel me? Okay. Oh my god. I have officially finished the protein treatment. My hair feels really good. Now I'm gonna go in with the Dark and Lovely Moisture Rich Conditioner that came with the box. Wash it out, and then I'm gonna go in with my deep conditioner and leave it in all night just to make sure my hair is completely saturated in moisture. And then in the morning, I'm going to style my hair and show you guys the final results once it's 100% dry. My camera died. I hope this quality is still good. I'm shooting on my cellular device. Bye.